Aloha everyone, welcome to the Alpha One982 YouTube family channel. My name is Ale and today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet called the K-Bar Paracord Bracelet, originally designed by JD Lenzen from the Tied Up Together. So stay tuned, tutorial is right around the corner. So for today's project we're gonna need the two strands 1 foot each, this sky blue and this black color paracord 550, and we're gonna join them as you can see here, and after that we're gonna make this crown, two-strand crown knot. I will post the link to the tutorial for this crown knot into description down below and into the cards, so you can check it out. And after that you'll need to join these two larger pieces of cord. Each one of these is about 5.5 feet or 1.7 meters in the metric measurements, so you need to join them like this, and we can start making the K-Bar Paracord Bracelet, originally designed by JD Lenzen from Tied All Together, sorry. Thanks for this great design, and you guys enjoyed making these beautiful paracord bracelets. So that being said, let's start. So first we're gonna take this base of the bracelet, and as you can see here I make it to be a little bit shorter, the black one, and the sky blue is a bit larger or longer, as you wish, so we can hide this point where we join cords. So let's make the bracelet. Take the cords and simply make the over-under knot like this, over and then under. This is the basic and the simplest knot, over under. While you're doing this, pay attention, you need to have the black paracord onto the side where is the black paracord, and this sky blue onto the side where the sky blue is. So now lock this, and we have first part of the bracelet finished. Now, one important thing, guys, I suggest you to take more paracord cords for this base of the bracelet, because I used the dimensions from the one tutorial I saw, and the bracelet was small, so 1 foot isn't enough for the bracelet of 21 centimeters wide. So I suggest you to make this base of the bracelet rather longer, and with this crown knot, and when you reach the desired length of your bracelet or your wrist width, you then can simply, I'm gonna show you on the end, adjust this crown knot and everything will be as it should. So stay tuned and let's start. When you make this loop or knot over under, the blue cords are gonna be from the one side and the black one gonna be from the other side. Now take the sky blue, make it under, and then this black one under this sky blue, on top of this black from this side, under the sky blue in the middle, through, and then through the loop on the right side here, like this. I hope you can clearly see. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can have a better look. Like this. Now pull it to cut the slack and make the knots. So this is the first weave. Now take this black one, make it on top of the base of the bracelet like this, and then this light blue gonna go, sky blue, sorry, gonna go on top of this black, under, on top, and through. As you see, this is the basic weaves, and now you can see why I said to leave more longer cords, because it won't be like this, it will be wider, and then you need the more cords. So you should take about almost 2 feet of each of these cords for the base of this bracelet, and it should be enough. And on the end I will show you how to adjust the knot, and everything will be fine. So let's continue. Let me zoom to clear it up. And now the blue again gonna go under, and the black one under, on top, under, and through. So this weave can be called under, on top, under, on top, and through. And now we reach the end of the bracelet. As you can see here, I have left more cord than I need. So as you can see, it's enough. Now here we're gonna finish it. Cut off the excess of a cord and finish the weave. I suggest you to finish with the basic cobra weave. So this one gonna go on top, this one gonna go on top of this, under and through, and simply lock the bracelet with the basic cobra weave, and that's it. And now, as I said, I'm gonna show you how to adjust this crown knot here. Find the one leading cord. Let me just zoom a bit. Find the leading cord and pull it. Like this. And when you've done that, simply follow with the other cords. And now just cut off the excess of the cords here. Melt it down. And voila! The bracelet is finished. So guys, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you like this tutorial, please give a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and consider to support us on the Patreon, www.patreon.com/Alpha One982, so we can make more of these tutorials. Until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, see you soon, bye!